You finally made a song you're proud of.
Left your coat on my chair, still smells like rain in here. I touch the sleeve, I swear, it feels like you were near. I keep your name in my chest, like a spark under glass.
Maybe on Suno, maybe recorded at midnight in your room. But it's just audio, and you've got nothing to post. You try an AI video tool, and it throws random clips over your track, nothing even hitting the beat. So watch what happens when you hand that song to an AI that listens first, then builds the whole video around every beat. No editor, no timeline. And stay for the scene change that snaps onto your beat drop, because that's the moment this goes from random AI clips to a real music video. This is Freebeat. Freebeat is one of the best AI music video generators out there, and unlike general video tools, it's built from the ground up for music. It's made for musicians, producers, and creators who have a track, maybe from Suno, Udio, Spotify, YouTube, or just recorded on their phone, and want a real video for it without the usual production headache. It reads your song's rhythm and structure, then builds visuals synced to the beat, matched to the mood, and edited like a real production. Let's open it up and I'll walk you through the whole thing. First, head to the music video generator on Freebeat and drop in your song. You can paste a link straight from Suno, Udio, Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, or TikTok. No downloading and no file conversion. Or if the audio is already on your device, upload it directly. That's a real time saver. Most tools make you export, convert, and re-upload. Here you paste a link and it's already reading the track. But pasting the song is the easy part. The real question is what kind of video you want, and this is where Freebeat surprised me. Before it generates anything, you pick how you want the video build. And this is where Freebeat is different from a one-size-fits-all tool. There are 6 modes. Singing MV gives you a performance video with built-in lip sync, so a character actually sings your track. Storytelling mode builds a full narrative video with scenes and pacing. Abstract mode is pure motion. And mood synced to the music, no characters. And that's only half of them. Music cover mode makes looping visuals for Spotify Canvas or Apple Music. Video to music flips it, generating background music for your visuals. And viral shots and on-beat effects gives you those trending beat-driven effects blowing up on TikTok and Reels. I'll use storytelling mode so you can see the full range of what the agent can do. Now I hit generate, and this is where the agent takes over. It analyzes the BPM, the rhythm, and the structure of the whole song, then builds beat-synced visuals across the entire track, not a 15-second clip. Freebeat supports full music videos up to 6 minutes. And while it generates, it's also directing, building a storyboard, planning cinematic shots, close-ups, wide shots, camera motion, and structuring it all into proper A-roll and B-roll. It's doing the job of a director and an editor at once. And there it is, a full multi-scene video. Already edited, already synced. And this is the moment I told you to wait for. Watch the scene change land right on the beat drop.
You left your coat on my chair, still smells like rain in here. I touch the sleeve, I swear, it feels like you were near. I keep your name in my chest, like a spark under glass. I act fine, I confess, but I don't want it to pass. If you come close, I might fall apart. One look from you, and I'm back at the start. Hold me tonight, don't let go me tonight. I still need you close when the room goes dim and the hurt cuts deep. Me tonight, baby, don't let me leave.
If you're happy with that automatic result, you can stop there. But turn auto off, and you get the kind of control most AI tools don't give you. You can regenerate a single clip or refine one shot without restarting the whole project. You can upload your own character design to keep that character consistent from scene to scene, and it even supports 2 characters interacting on screen. For singing mode, there's lip sync with up to 90% accuracy across multiple languages, so the mouth actually matches the vocals. On the visual side, you get a full library of styles and genre-aware looks, plus mood, lighting, and transition presets to keep everything consistent. And you can add beat-synced lyric captions for a more polished cut. Once it looks exactly how you want, there's just one thing left: getting it out to the right platform. Export is simple. 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, optimized for YouTube, Reels, and TikTok. So whatever platform you post to, it's ready without extra editing. And the music video agent is just the main event. There's a whole toolbox behind it most people never open. Beyond the main agent, there's a toolbox with over 20 creator tools, music to dance video, music to lyrics video, and more, powered by nearly all the major AI models on the market right now, including Kling and Runway. So whether you're running a quick experiment or building a polished final piece, there's a tool for it. So that's the full workflow, one song into a finished video. The only question left is what you'll make with it. So if you've got a song sitting in your drafts, this is the fastest way to turn it into a real video. The free plan lets you test the whole workflow, and to publish clean, my link and code in the description get you 10% off Pro. Paste a song, pick a mode, and see what the agent builds. Then drop the track you'd turn into a video in the comments. I read everyone,